Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make your product, your online product, more professional without it costing you extra time. So this will help you if you're currently serving people. Now you could be doing that offline, which would be fantastic. So for this to work, it will work best if you already have a business. So if you're starting from absolute scratch, you can follow this as well, but it will work well if you're already serving people. So you might be a dog trainer that is actually doing that offline and actually meeting people and training their dogs and so on, and then taking your product online. It will also help you if you're doing something online. Maybe you're a coach, maybe you're a consultant, and working with people in that capacity where you can actually very easily make a product. Now, that's why it will work better if you're already serving people, because one of the things you can do, let's say for instance you're a coach or consultant and you're doing that, and you might be doing it through Skype. You might be directly contacting people that want your services, and you want to have an online training product. Now, one of the things that you can do if you're worried about making it professional and spending ages on it, I'm going to give you a few pointers here that will really help. And also, if you're interested in this stuff and want to know how to create your own product, check out your free course below. Through the link below in the description, it will give you a free 4-day course of exactly how to build your own product from scratch. And also, it will go far more in depth about how to set it up and get affiliates like on ClickBank, and how to go about doing that, so you're actually going to get affiliates and so on. But I just want to show you. So let's say you're going to launch an ebook or a video product. The best thing that you could do is get your content done. So get the video done. Maybe it's you in front of your iPhone. iPhones have moved along. As long as you've got one of the later ones, they've moved along so far that the camera quality is really good. So you can actually create a video product just with your iPhone, or you could do it through Camtasia, which is a screen recorder. What I'm using here is sharing the screen with you. You could do that if you need to show things on the screen and have it like a training course. But instead of spending ages and ages editing the video, when you've got your video together, let's say you've got one and you're giving information, really good information, but it's very plain. You just sat on a sofa, or sat at your desk, or wherever you are, and you want to put your logos on it, and you want to put call to actions in it, or put like video one, or whatever it is. What you can do, a really good site for that is Fiverr. So if you type in fiverr.com, and there's some very good services for video editing and so on. And that's what I recommend you do. I recommend that you get the video done, just the core information, and then you can just hire one of these video editors to edit it how you want to. Now, it will go up and down in price depending what you need to have done, but for all the little things that hold you back, professionalism, you could do video editing. You've also got logo design. And there's so many services out there that will do this for you, but what you can actually do to make sure that you get a good service is you can change the delivery time. You can also have a look and group it by whether they're professional sellers and so on. Here we go. So I'll just show you. So we're doing logo design as an example. And you can see here, if I go to top rated sellers, these are the top sellers. So you can see that you're going to get a really good logo that you can use and so on. If you were doing, even with your social media stuff and so on, if you needed a YouTube header, just search for it, and it's a really great way. You can also do this on Freelancer or Upwork, but it will probably cost you a bit more. So this is a fantastic way of actually getting professional designs that look good. You can see here, top rated sellers, there's only 2. So for YouTube header, so I'm going to go to level 1 because there's 20. And you can see here, I'll design a YouTube banner, gaming banner, Twitch banner, header. I would design a banner, Facebook, YouTube, and so on. I would design a YouTube thumbnail, channel art, banner, cover header, logo, Facebook banner, and you can just have a look through and have a look at some of the jobs, and you'll be able to get a really, really good service that will you can put across all your social networks. So if you want to speed the thing up, get your main content down and don't worry about it too much, and then go to Fiverr and hire these video editors, and you can walk them through what you need done, and you'll be able to get quality work at a huge discount. So that will take some of the, when you're doing your videos for your course, you can have them professionally edited as well. So a little tip, if you're currently servicing people and you want to go online and you're worried about all of that stuff, make sure that you get your free 4-day course below. You find it in the link below, and I'll speak to you really, really soon.